Okay, my name is Juan Tamayo, your English teacher. Today we're going to see past continuous with be verb and ing. When to use it and how to use it. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, and they were. Yes. Tips to keep in mind. It is used when you want to describe an action that started in the past but stayed prolonged. It's necessary to add ing after the verb to be connected into a continuous verb. This is the structure: pronoun plus verb plus action, and then add ing. So here we go with some example. I was blending all the ingredients. Blending, ing. It becomes the verb to a continuing action. You were sowing the mango seed. He was learning how to lace up his shoes. So if you can see, adding ing showing the action continue. And the expensive toll. She was paying. So the moment she was doing the action, she was paying. At that moment she was doing the action. The campfire was blazing away. We were negotiating with the seller to reduce the cost. They were curbing the hue and cry of the people. Okay, curb is stop. Curbing is they were stopping. So the action was an answer. Was he using the grid to cut the arepas? Yes, he was using the grid. No, he was not. Using, using. In that ing say the action. Keep continue closing too much to the perch. Yes, you were closing too much. No, you were not closing too much. You were not a risk taker. Was she convey the guest to his room? Yes, she was conveying the guest to his room. No, she was not conveying the guest to his room. Please send someone to do it. Wasn't playing with a hoop? Yes, it was playing with a hoop. No, it was not playing with a hoop. It was a ball. Play the action in present, but when you add the ing, basically enter into the action to a continuous action that is not ending, but is still in the present. It's not in the future. It's continue happening. Okay, please keep that in mind. Next, were you wearing a shack or a clock for the party? Yes, I was wearing a shack. No, I was not wearing any of them. Were we stashing the treasure into the forest? No, we were not stashing it in the forest, but a big dragon home. Yes, we were stashing in the forest next to a tree. Were they deeming the right qualification for the whole class? No, they were not deeming the right qualification for the whole class. Yes, they were deeming the right qualification for the whole class. Were you running with pain after the procedure? No, we were not running with pain, but frustration. Yes, we were running with pain after the procedure. Remember that ing imply to the verb that the action continue for a little bit time more. Okay, so when you add to the verb ing, you are trying to say the action continue for a little time or prolong for a little time more. Okay, if you want to know more information about this topic briefly, please take classes with me. Remember, my classes have affordable prices and for all ages, okay, and all levels, from A1 to B2. Please don't doubt to contact me. As always, leave your suggestions, your question in the comment box. Also keep in mind on my fan page you're going to find out the version in Spanish. And God bless you and have a good day and have a good night. And I hope see you later in my classes.